Okay, I typically don't review items, especially using a video, but this particular product was totally worth the video review. Look at how sleek it is. It's so light. It is totally cordless. I've got the cord set up down there and I can charge it anytime I want. The battery lasts forever and it's absolutely perfect. Gone are the days when, I would use a big, heavy, loud, bulky vacuum cleaner. This thing, look at how clean that looks. That brush right there, that has been used for over weeks. Like that thing. Look at how clean it is. I don't even know how it stays so clean, but this is the best thing that has ever happened. Look at how amazing the functionality is. This button right here is like a gun. You push it and it turns on and it kind of drives itself. You push it again and it becomes faster. Look at how amazing. I can literally clean everything so easily.